In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magnetic Lasso tool in Photopea. The Magnetic Lasso is perfect for quickly selecting a subject with clear edges, so you can remove it or isolate it from the background with precision. Start by heading to photopea.com in your browser. Photopea runs right in the browser, so there's nothing to install, and it works with common image formats like JPG and PNG, as well as layered PSD files. Once the workspace loads, click Open from Computer. A file window will appear. Choose the image you want to work with and confirm to open it. You'll see your photo appear on the canvas, ready to edit. Next, look to the toolbar on the left for the lasso tool icon. Right-click it to reveal the different lasso options. From that menu, choose Magnetic Lasso Select. This version of the lasso automatically looks for contrast along edges and drops small anchor points for you as you move, which speeds up selections around well-defined subjects. Now click once on your image to set your starting point along the edge of the object you want to select. This first click tells Photopea where the selection begins. From here, move your mouse slowly along the object's boundary. Keep the cursor on the edge where the subject meets the background. As you trace, the tool will snap to the edge and place anchor points automatically. If you hit a corner or a tricky area, a quick single click sets a manual point to help the tool stay accurate. Smooth, deliberate movements work best. Try to avoid big jumps and let the tool do the snapping for you. Continue tracing until you've gone all the way around. When you reach the spot where you started, hover near that initial point and click on it to close the path. You'll see the familiar marching ants outline, confirming that the object is fully selected. With the selection active, press Delete to remove the selected object from the active layer. This erases the pixels inside the selection, revealing transparency or whatever is underneath on lower layers. If your background is a single layer, you'll typically see a checkerboard pattern where the object used to be, indicating transparency. And that's the complete process. Open your image, choose the magnetic lasso, click to start, trace the edge, close the loop at the starting point, and delete the selection. The more you practice keeping the cursor right on the boundary, the cleaner your results will be. Thanks for watching and have fun experimenting with the magnetic lasso in Photopea.